Hello dear viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we'll be looking at everything that you need to know on how to book an appointment through the VFS Global portal. Now this video is for those who are interested in obtaining an appointment for the National Employment category or for any other category for the Republic of Poland. Now the first step you'll have to do is to obviously go to google.com and type VFS Global. Step 2 will be to click on the first Google link that appears on the very top of the web page. Now once done, you should be in a page similar to this on your mobile phone or your PC. Then you'll have to put the country that you're applying from, in this case India, and you'll have to put the country which you're going to, which is your destination, which is Poland. After entering your relevant countries, then click on Take Me to the website. After which, under the Book an Appointment category, which is the main reason of why you're in the page in the first place, click on Book Now. Now a secondary page should or might come depending on the location which you are booking an appointment. Click on Book Now again. After following all these steps, you should be in a page which says sign in. Now this page is extremely important because without making an account through the VFS Global portal, you'll be unable to book an appointment through it. The first step is to obviously make an account. Please make sure to put your correct email ID along with the password details, as well as your mobile number. It should be noted that you can only make one account per email ID and per phone number. Once used, you cannot use the same phone number and the same email ID, either of those, in order to make a new VFS Global account, as it is pretty much logged on to each account. Then you should receive an OTP. So after you do that, please go to your email. In this case, if it's Gmail, go to Gmail, where you should have gotten a mail from the VFS which enables you to activate your account. And of course, when you see the activate account button, click on that as well. Once done, you should receive a message saying that your VFS Global account has been activated, after which you can proceed to log in. So entering your exact and correct credentials, you should go to a page like this, which prompts you to enter the OTP on your registered mobile number with this very account. Once done, you should be taken onto a page like this. Obviously, you should tick all of the boxes down there, after which you should press on Start New Booking. Once done, you should be taken onto a page like this which says your details. The details are the same regardless of what category you apply for, be it national visit or national employment or even national study. It is really important for you to enter each and every single detail exactly the way it is in your passport right here. So you have your first name, last name, mobile number, as well as your email address. It is really important to enter the exact mobile number, and even though it's different from the account that you made, since the appointment once done will go to that very mobile number or email address which you will be entering right here. Once done, you should be put in another page which should look like this, with your name under the section of applicant along with the number, of course. Once done, click on continue, and then you'll be taken onto another page along with the appointment category as well as its subcategory. Now I want all of my viewers to proceed with extreme caution. Now when you click on the appointment category, which should be of two types depending on the visa that you apply for, there are two categories such as national visa as well as Schengen visa. Since our tutorial is based on getting an appointment through the national employment category, we shall be clicking on the national visa. The next category is extremely important, which is to choose your subcategory. Over there we shall be clicking on national employment. I'd like to give an advisory to all of my viewers. For those people who will be applying for the employment visa category, can only apply through getting an appointment for the national employment visa category. I know there are words in the market, there are rumors around the market stating that people can apply for the national employment visas through other categories such as national others, national PhD and national dependent, but that is extremely false. Hence, please try to get an appointment only for the national employment category. If you don't get it, that is okay. That is always next week. When you click on it, you might receive a page with the relevant application center which differs from the place that you apply in, or in the case that the appointment slots are not available at all, there should be a message like this stating that no appointment slots are available in any centers for your selected subcategory. If you do see this message, it is totally fine and totally okay because it's completely normal given the current circumstances, but it is always better to try for the next week rather than applying for your visa through the wrong category, in this case for example through national others. I would highly not recommend at all for any aspiring candidate to apply through the national others category when they're applying for a national employment visa. In the fortunate case that you do get a visa application center with slots, of course, you should be able to see something like this. In this case, Poland Visa Application Center in Kolkata. Of course, at the bottom, you have your earliest available slot, i.e. which date it is available in, along with your service fee, which is basically the amount of money that you'll have to give for this appointment, unlike other black market appointments, which are quite expensive. When you choose your visa application center, I would recommend our viewers to proceed with caution. For example, in our country of India, for North Indian candidates, you can select either Jaipur, Lucknow, New Delhi, Kolkata, and Chandigarh, while for our South Indian candidates, you can select either Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Chennai, and Bangalore. Getting an appointment from any of the other places other than the ones that I've mentioned. Now, if you are a North Indian candidate and you get an appointment in South India, you'll be unable to submit your employment visa application, mainly due to the fact that that file will probably go to the consulate rather than the embassy, where it's supposed to be originally processed in. Now, after which you should be taken to another page. Once again, validate that you are the person who's in fact getting the appointment. So for that, they'll be generating an OTP. This OTP should come in either your email or your phone number. Once done, you should be taken to another page which should look something like this. As the name suggests, you have to pick your appointment date. Now, for the viewers watching this video, I would highly recommend to take an appointment or date and a time which is the most suitable for you. In this case, there are quite a few days in the month of June, so let's pick a date, and after picking your date, variable times as well. It is always better to time it well according to your return ticket if you do live quite far away, or it is better to time it right before lunch, since the VFS is typically empty during that time and is not often too crowded around the time of noon. When you select on your appropriate date and the appropriate time which is most comfortable to you, you will be put to another page which gives you options for additional services. Now, I'd like to inform any of the viewers watching this video that it is absolutely unnecessary to select any of these additional services, as the only fees that you'll be paying in order to get an appointment in the first place is that same amount of 936 rupee. If you are doing the documentation on your own, these services are pretty much useless. If you can't, then possibly the premium launch might be of help to any of the people watching this video. But in other cases, we do see it as a blatant rip-off. Obviously, if you don't require any of these additional services, click on continue, of course, after which you'll be taken on one of the most important steps across this entire video, which is to review all of the details, including the appointment category and subcategory, along with your name, passport number, and passport expiry date. If at all in any of the steps, if you do feel that you have entered the wrong details, please click on edit and correct the information which you have wrong or which you have made a mistake in accordingly. Once done, go to the bottom of the page and tick all of the boxes necessary and click on continue, after which you should be taken to a payment options page where you will have only one option, which is obviously to pay online. After that, you should be taken to a page with the payment disclaimer and click on continue, after which make the payment whichever mode you're most comfortable in, be it credit card, debit card, UPI, or through net bank transfer. Once the payment is done, within a period of half an hour to 1 to 2 hours, depending on the network traffic, you should be able to receive your appointment slot in your email, and of course along with a confirmation on your phone number through SMS. That is all you need to know on how to book an appointment through the VFS Global Portal. Thank you so much for watching. If you do like the video, I would highly recommend you to hit that subscribe button for more informational content just like this one. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope that everyone would obtain VFS appointments through the legal and right way, and I hope that no one would apply through the wrong category by getting an appointment of a completely different category. As all, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.